Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Boston Whaler all-new Vantage 280. This boat, outside hull color is light blue with the chrome graphics. This particular boat is powered by two white Mercury 300 Verados, digital throttle shift. Here on the transom you'll have a live well. You'll have a fold-up transom bench seat. You'll have your dual battery controls here, and also your freshwater sprayer. As you will see, this boat has a dive door on the port side, grab handle, and you have two in-floor fish boxes as well. Coming into the boat, you'll have your raw water here, your freshwater fill here, and your charging port here. You'll have a cockpit seat back here. Over on the port side, you'll have an adjustable seat, lays all the way down, with storage underneath. Here on your starboard side, you've got plenty of storage under here, and also a freshwater sink. Above us, you'll see this massive hardtop that is also undercolor light blue with rod holders, molded in speakers, and LED lighting. Coming forward to the helm, see a nice helm chair, flip up armrest, adjustable. This does come with a Mercury joystick system with sky hook, digital throttle shift, a Mercury vessel view, fusion stereo with Bluetooth, trim tabs with indicator, tilt wheel steering. Over here on your port, you'll have a very spacious head area with a macerator pump as well. Making our way forward, you'll see it comes with a bow block-off door, access to plenty of more storage, table, and a 5-gallon bucket, and all your covers are below. Up here in the bow, this particular boat is going to have very spacious bow seating. Also, it is going to have the bow filler cushion insert. Also up here, you've got another freshwater sprayer when you do board the beach. And underneath here, what a great design. You've got your windlass anchor and your beach sporting ladder all in the front. This does conclude our walkthrough of the 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.